Just want to say thank you to everyone that pre-ordered from the first batch of Synio Stove Jets. Hopefully everyone's received their products by now. We've checked the tracking on the postage and it's confirmed. If you haven't received it, please let us know. Your feedback and support online has been amazing because I've been working on this product now for 3 years and it does really help keep me motivated. I thought I'd share some of your comments, so here goes. So just to summarise where we are, so I've ordered a large batch of heat sinks, which is kind of a key component, before the sort of price of copper went stupid, so I got them for a reasonable price. So we're looking at doing another batch, but realistically, because of Chinese New Year, it's going to be like the end of March, probably even April before we can deliver. So the bank's agreed to help support some of the production costs, but your pre-orders do really help get the product to market. So that's kind of where we are at the minute. But Philippe Starck is one of my sort of design inspirations. And one of his quotes, what he said is that if you've come up with a solution, you've got a duty to put this solution into the world. So when I decided to do this product over another shower attachment, I thought it was the right product to go with. Even though it's taken such a long time to get there, it still felt like the right choice.
We shall try to help your tribe, your society, your civilization to have a better life.